My name is Clifford Singleton. I'm a mason instructor here at Albany Technical College. I've been in the masonry field for 44 years, and I've been teaching here at Albany Technical College for 14 years for masonry. The masonry program here at Albany Tech, what it entails today is that you come in with the knowing anything about masonry. We teach you from the basic fundamental. We teach you the work ethic part of it. We also teach you how to read a ruler, because sometimes you'll be surprised and think that everybody knows how to read a ruler, but actually they really don't and afraid to admit that they don't. So we take the basic fundamentals and teach them that. Then we also teach them how to use each and every one of the tools that we have in our craft bag. And once we get that, then we go on to showing them how safety is involved in this, because one of the tools in the bag or two of the tools in the bag might be able to hurt you. And we don't want anyone to get hurt and be afraid of the tools. We got a certificate program here at Albany Tech where you can get a basic certificate. We also have the diploma program, which is from a year and a half up to 2 years, all depending on how you progress in the program. Also what we have is that we got apprenticeship or internship that will allow you to go out. If you satisfy your curriculum here at Albany Tech, go out into the field and work with one of our partners. The first day of class, we go with you, we take you out and show you all the areas of the shop, get you familiar with what's going on out there. You get the opportunity to learn how to use your joiners, you learn how to use your trowel, you know how to use the electrical saws that we have where we cut bricks and blocks, because that's what a masonry is trained on. And if you come here to Albany Tech, I will train you how to do that. My motto is I teach you how to build your house one brick at a time if you apply yourself. The going salary right now, Pelicano started one of my students off with $20 an hour. Once you get to the job and apply yourself, then you automatically gonna be getting raises. Also, this person had the opportunity to go on to try to be a construction manager. So if you choose to come here to Albany Tech, I can almost guarantee you that if you apply yourself, you will learn it and you will be on your way to having a future.